They say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but apparently not just girls. The luster and sparkle of the stones is attracting more and more investors. So much so that China has become the world's second largest market for diamond trading. More than $5 billion of diamonds in China were sold last year, an 18% increase from 2013. How are they cut, shipped, and sold? Chen Xuan took a tour of the heavily secured Shanghai Diamond Exchange Center to tell us the story underneath the glamorous surface.
Kilometer-long Century Avenue is the engine of the city's vibrant financial hub. Walls of skyscrapers and the stand of busy traffic give you the tallest and fastest view of Shanghai. Amidst all the famous banks, insurance companies and luxury hotels, this building behind me probably runs the most mysterious and most glittering business in the world. The business of a small rock called diamond. Shanghai Diamond Exchange Center was established in the year of 2000 with permission of the State Council, and it is one and only in the Chinese mainland. It was in Jingmao Tower before moving to this building, especially designed and built for this business. So it covers everything related to diamond trading, like customs, inspection and quarantine, business administration, security, and insurance. And that is why we just gone through a very heavy security check, like the airport level, and there are 24-hour surveillance cameras everywhere. Michael Wong, managing director of the Diamond Index Group, has been working in the industry for more than 80 years. I think I can say that the number of diamonds he checked within a day is more than what we see in our entire lives. It makes you nervous just thinking about it, but it's also pretty cool. Tell us more about, the company and what you do every day.
Let's say we are the supplier of all the polished diamonds. We take care of everything from the mining company right after the rough diamonds were taken out from every mine, and we start to study them and plan them. Then we cut and polish them. After that, we send it to the most prestigious diamond grading labs of the world. After each and every diamond is graded, we will distribute it to all over the world, mostly to jewelers, and also nowadays a lot of individuals will buy diamonds as investment from us directly.
I see. So how can individual approach you? They can buy diamonds from you, or?
No, the membership only applies to prestigious and global diamond companies, but some individuals may find their way to buy diamonds directly or indirectly from us.
So would you like to show me, how you are actually dealing with the diamonds every day?
Actually dealing with the actual diamonds?
Yes, actual diamonds.
All right, with great pleasure.
Okay.
Okay, now let's come down to these actual diamonds.
Looking very glamorous. All right, so what actually are you looking? Because we ordinary people, we all know there are 4C standards.
If you know 4C standards for diamonds, you are already not ordinary people.
What are the 4Cs? I don't actually know. I only know 4Cs.
Okay, well, actually, every and each important diamond will be graded. And on the certificate, it will clearly state the color.
Color?
The clarity.
Clarity, okay.
And the cutting grade.
Okay, cutting grade.
Of the diamond. The most important of all, how big is this diamond is carat.
Oh.
So that's the reason why we call it a 4C standard. Normally we check it with a loop.
Okay.
You will be able to tell its unique inclusion or measurements or its weight.
Can I take a look at the loop? I'm just curious if I can do this.
Well, probably you can hold it and make sure that the distance between the loop and the diamond is not changed, and then try to find the focus.
I can't find a proper focus. No, it's not an easy job to do.
And after checking it with the loop, we will double check its weight. So each and every carat stands for only 1/5 of 1 gram.
Okay.
So this one tells you we're actually 3 digits after the 0.1 carat, which means it's a very small measurement. You want to see another 5 carat?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a fancy color diamond, which is nowadays very popular, creating a lot of auction records.
So the reason for that, is it just simply people think the colorful diamonds are more beautiful, or actually, in professional opinion, they are more valuable?
Actually, a colored diamond is different from a fancy colored diamond. The fancy colored diamond is very rare. Only about 1% of the natural diamond. Fancy color means the color grading has to be very nice. It has to be with a certain level of saturation of certain colors.
Okay. How difficult is the mining and process procedures?
The formation of these diamonds happened was about 1 billion years, 3.3 billion years ago, which is almost the age of the Earth. The rough number would be 265 tons of the mined rocks. We try to crush and sort. We can only accumulate in total about 1 carat yield of diamonds. The most important thing for a cutter and polisher is to think about the yield. So some of the shape might be because of the particular shape and the particular inclusion layouts in the rough, that we have to plan it that way is the best yield and the best outcome that we can get from one rough.
To ordinary people, it presents is actually the meaning behind it, but not actually how big it is.
For sure, the meaning behind diamonds could be pursued for perfection. Seeing something like this, you would think, how can you not be emotional about a diamond?
Diamonds have always been identified as the sign of pure love and of eternity. Their value is determined by their rareness, the exquisite craftsmanship, and most importantly, by the human emotions they express. Each diamond is unique and different. It's a piece of art that will always remind you to appreciate the ones you love.